In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build workflows in Asana with automation. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to sign in to Asana, open the correct project, and create a custom automation rule that helps tasks move through your workflow automatically, reducing the need for constant manual follow-ups and keeping your projects organized more efficiently. To begin, open your web browser and head to the Asana login page. Enter the email address connected to your account, click Continue, and then type in your password to sign in. If your organization uses additional security features such as single sign-on or multi-factor authentication, complete those verification steps as prompted. For better account security, it's always a good idea to avoid sharing login information and consider using a secure password manager to store credentials safely. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll arrive at your Asana homepage. From there, open the project where you want your automation to operate. Since rules function at the project level, it's important to confirm that you are working inside the correct project and that you have permission to create or edit automation settings. Inside the project, move to the right side of the screen and click the Customize option. This panel gives you access to project tools such as custom fields, forms, and automation settings. Within that menu, locate the Rules section and choose the option to add a new rule. You may see several automation templates designed for common workflows, but for greater flexibility and control, select the option to create a custom rule. This opens the Automation Builder, where every workflow follows a basic structure that includes a trigger, optional conditions, and one or more actions. Start by selecting a trigger, which defines the event that will activate the automation. Common triggers include tasks being moved into a section, due dates being updated, tasks being completed, or tags being added. Choose the trigger that best matches your team's process. For example, if your workflow includes stages like To Do, In Progress, and In Review, you might choose a trigger that activates whenever a task moves into the review stage. Next, you can add conditions to make the automation more precise. Conditions help prevent unnecessary actions and ensure the rule only runs under the right circumstances. For instance, you can configure the rule to activate only for high-priority tasks, tasks in a specific section, or tasks that have not yet been assigned to anyone. After that, define the action you want Asana to perform automatically. The system can assign tasks, move work into another section, update due dates, apply tags, add comments, or even mark tasks as complete. Combining actions carefully can help create a smoother workflow while avoiding conflicts with other automation rules. Once everything looks correct, give the rule a clear name, review the summary, and publish the automation. It's also a good idea to test the rule using a sample task to confirm that everything works as expected. If changes are needed later, you can always return to the Customize panel to edit, pause, or remove the rule at any time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.